So find next tile is complete. Find next tile. So next tile is defined. Okay. And if next tile dot, what's that, type or is walkable, then that's good. But if not, I have to return something. If you can't move forward, right? So tile, next tile. Okay. Check if tile available. Next tile. Let availability. And only if availability is true, then do the move. And availability, and also I would just make everything actually into one function. That's move. Try moving forward. I'll just make this. Okay. Let's create another library. New file, try moving forward. Const export const try moving forward. So this way I can just return false whenever I fail, and if it's false, then just stop moving forward, right? So this is it. So if next tile is, you know, not there, return false. Can do that. Availability, check of if file check. Okay, so next tile. I'll find next tile, let's import it, and check if tile available. Const check if tile available. Check if tile available. If I would just say next tile, and if tile type isn't walkable, then return false. If availability return false. Okay, that's good. Okay, sure. Try moving forward. Should get tiles and direction and position. Wow, like it now shows me this red warning. It wasn't like this before, but now it's doing it. Oh shit. Not the shit, but sure. You're good? Availability is never reassigned, use const. Wow. So it now shows me the red warning. Very strict. Maybe I like it. Okay, so you check if tile available, next tile availability. Okay. So let's change this if statement. So if points is less than consumed points, then return false and stop it. Okay. Return false. And consumed, well, points should be passed actually. try moving forward should take the points. That is, and return false. So I can just remove these brackets. Am I right? Okay. Wow, it's giving me all these red warnings. It wasn't like this before. What's up with that? Do I like it? Maybe. Okay, so difference check. So I don't really like this, long function at all. So I might just, break these into small chunks. But for now, I'll just say that's all right. Okay, so path should be passed as well. It's taking too many variables to one function. And what was the way to avoid that? Like, for instance, maybe making this function a part of the stage class, then stage class would always have access to like the tiles. Should I just do that? Yeah, why not? Stage find path will take the unit IDs. I'm going to actually, okay, so I'm gonna work on the refactoring now. So I will make this unit store wrapped. Actually, this is something I kind of do like often. Export const units, and I will just use units as a wrapper for units writable unit store. So what it is subscribe. It's the same thing, subscribe of the units, original units. Expect 1 or 2 argument, but subscribe. So it's a wrapper, and it's a store. And also I will create a get function, get one. So that means I will just, it will take the ID, and that is a number. Store units store get one, and I think this is what I did, right? Items, I think this is what I did. Array, yeah. So when items find where item ID equals to an ID and return it. Unit items have an. So right, that's why this is how I do it. So if I know the ID, then const unit is units get one, and this l.id. You can do that, and this is units. Okay, so units is a store. Yeah, it's not really a store. It's a wrapper store. So units get one. Okay. So find path, stage find path is another find path function, but it will take the unit ID, and I think that's actually it, because unit should have the direction and the position data as well. So let's define that. Types unit would always have position and direction. That is either south or east, west, north, or no. Type expected, yes, direction. Okay, so the direction. So that's that. So find path for this guy should give him everything. So let's see. Find path is not find path. Yeah. So find path. Let's copy this function. Copy and stage. Create a new file. Find path. .ts. I'm not really liking this. Okay, so export const find path will be unit ID it will take, and it should also take tiles. Let's paste it and let's get it from the original thing. It should take files, position, direction, points, previous ID. Okay, so it should actually take the unit data and tiles, position, direction, find path. Here's another function that should return an array of path. Did I redefine the path? I didn't, but it's alright. And let's do this and this. Find find path. Okay, so library not define stage find path method. No. Find path. It's this one. And should get this tiles, and it should get the position. Then it's the unit position, the data actually of the unit. Yeah. Okay, so and find path. So index find path should pass this. It should get the unit data and then these tiles, and it should get the give the unit. What was that second parameter? Position and unit direction, and what was that? Points and consumed points. Well, okay, so it's a unit speed, consumed points total. Okay, so this isn't really necessary. Consumed points total should 0 to be original. Previous pass is empty. Tiles, tile position XYZ, and direction string or no. Points is a number. Okay, so one step forward. Try moving forward. So try moving forward should go here, and let's import it. Try moving forward. Yep. And try moving forward should take 4 arguments. What is it? Direction, position, points. Yeah. Consumed points total should be passed as well. Paths. Previous paths. Should be passed as well. Points total and previous paths is also passed, right? previews first. Okay, try moving forward. It's not good. I'm not sure. So try moving forward should add something to the paths. So it should take the paths as well. That's a reopening. Let's do that. And so the paths should be updated. And returned. Always have to be sent. And returned. And returned at the end. So try moving forward. Should also return instead of returning false. It should just return the path, right? And also here, you repeat it, right? Ah, fuck. Ah, this is mind blowing. Past. So that's how it should work. Now, unit component going back. So stage find path for this unit should give const path, and this goes away. So unit should have the direction and speed at the original stage. So export class unit constructor, right? So originally it should have the direction, that is a string or null, and what's that, speed is also number. Okay, so when it's constructed, this direction should initially it's type equals to null, then south or null, and speed I will just give 15, and let's get 15 for now. Instead of not setting, let's add units. Okay, and I'm just gonna have to add another class. Where is the store? And add is a function array. So this would do units, unit store update array, and unit items. I will just do this. Adding units and return unit items. Click. It's typical. So now path still undefined because it's not returning anything. So no pass y type wall couple return false, otherwise it should return true. Is that what it is? Maybe.